news coming in. The TMC has now decided to move the Calcutta High Court for a repealment on yesterday's order staying the bail plea of the 4 TMC leaders arrested in the Narada scam probe. This is the latest breaking news coming in. We'll shortly try to go across to our reporters as well, but the TMC has now decided to move to the Calcutta High Court for a reappeal on yesterday's orders staying the bail plea of the 4 TMC leaders arrested in the Narada scam probe. Let's go across to my colleague Bisakha joining us live. Bisakha, this is certainly a big update coming in of the TMC now deciding to move to the Calcutta High Court for a repealment.
Exactly, and the big breaking that is coming from our end, the Calcutta High Court end, is that the TMC is going to file a recall or a review petition in the Kolkata High Court that they were not present in the Kolkata High Court when they were given, the 4 accused were given an interim bail yesterday, and they are actually challenging that order of yesterday in the High Court that was made by that was appealed by the CBI officials and the lawyers. And at that time we heard that Priyadarshini Hakim, Firhad Hakim's daughter, she herself said that when they were actually awaiting the interim bail and the 4 accused to be freed, they were not freed, and in between they had some time and they asked the CBI officials where the 4 accused are, and they already got their bail. Then where were they? And the CBI officials said that they were taking some time, the proceedings would take some time, and after that they went to the Calcutta High Court, and over there they were single-handedly, CBI single-handedly got that stay order on the interim bail. And after that, today only, the update is coming that TMC is going for a review petition in the Kolkata High Court, and Chief Justice's bench is taking this petition. And along with that, the CBI officials on the other hand, the CBI legal cell is, on the other hand, they are filing a caveat in the Supreme Court so that if they are going to file an anticipatory bail in the Supreme Court, that can be delayed, that can be stopped, and that is why they are going to file a caveat in the Supreme Court. From the CBI legal cell, this is another update, and from the TMC legal cell, they are trying to go, they have actually filed a review petition in the Chief Justice in the Kolkata High Court, and the Chief Justice bench has taken this plea, and the virtual hearing will start at 2 p.m. only. This is the big breaking coming in from Kolkata in this Naroda sting operation case. Where we are staying is the SSKM hospital, where you can see that we are just chasing this fact that the 3 accused, Madan Mitra, Shobhan Chattopadhyay and Subrata Mukherjee, they have been admitted in this hospital, and they are under treatment right now. They are undergoing some pathological tests with COVID tests also, and the lawyers of the minister Subrata Mukherjee, they have come, they are talking to them, and there is a possibility that the other minister Firhad Hakim, he will also be taken to this hospital because of his physical condition. He is feeling feverish, as we are getting from the sources, that he is also feeling feverish, and he will not be treated in jail hospital, as we are getting from our sources. He will be taken to this hospital as well, and after he is taken to this hospital, there will be some possibility that in the evening the medical board will be that there will be a medical board who will be just announcing about their health condition, their fitness and all. And after the pathological reports are coming in of these particular 4 people, 4 accused people, after that they are going to suggest what they will be doing, after the medical reports are coming in. And after that, there will be a possibility, because the interim bail that had been rejected, and they were taken to the jail custody, and they were put behind the bars in Presidency Correctional Home. After that, they are inside this hospital, Udvan block, and now when they are treated medically, the entire thing is dependent on the fact if they are fit or if they are not. And the reports that they are actually going through pathological tests. These are the only testimonials that the physicians are going to rely upon. And on the other hand, there are, as I said, that there are some legal procedures that are going in the High Court and at the Supreme Court as well.